still a little bit of your taste in my mouth. There's still a little bit of you laced.
This is a Novoferm by Novorferm. Comes with 2 remote controls. Press the button, down she comes. It's a 77mm foam filled aluminium roller shutter. When it's closed, sealed right way around. It's got brush in the guides by here. There's brush in there. Stop all the wind going through. And as you see, it's a rubber seal on the bottom. It's a double skin aluminium foam filled. Ideal if you've got a room above in the house. Press the button again, up she go. This particular model has got safety brake on it. Because there's no spring in this door, should the motor ever slip, ever, but if it did, there's a safety brake on there that would stop it coming crashing back down. So that's great for this. And also, this one's got touch safety reverse. So if your child was playing in the garden, someone presses the button, it goes underneath, and then stop and return. So that's never crush anyone, so it's safe. It also has got a full hood. The idea of the hood is obviously looks neater. But another thing as well, I don't know, you could be cleaning, when the door's down, you could be cleaning away and someone press the button, you could get entrapped if you didn't have the hood. So that will stop you messing around inside and getting trapped should someone press the button. So that's good there. The insides are finished in white, everything in white. So even if you've got a rosewood door on the outside, you must know that the inside will be white, but it can be sprayed to the colour. That's for an extra cost. This also has auto locks as well on it, so it'll hold the door down and lock it when the door's closed. You also obviously see a button there, up, down, and a light, which will go off in a couple of minutes' time after every operation. Everything's got power failure. Power cut. You can wind the door up with this winder. Okay. Give it a time, but and the door's coming up. But this is on emergency on a power cut. This motor has got a 5-year guarantee on it as well, and there's a 10-year guarantee on the curtain.
In my mouth, still a little bit of you laced with my doubt. It's still a little hard to say what's going on. There's still a little bit of your ghost, your witness. There's still a little bit of your face I haven't kissed. You step a little closer each day, that I can't say what's